welcome to Geojay solution tutorial channel. I am Emanje Adaviruku. Today I want to show you how to extract water bodies from satellite images through NDWI. NDWI stands for the Normalized Difference Water Index, and it is used to highlight open water features in satellite image, allowing a water body to stand out against soil and vegetation. The formula for calculating NDWI is green minus near infrared all over green plus near infrared. In Sentinel-2 satellite image, NDWI is calculated as band 3 minus band 8 all over band 3 plus band 8. But if you are using Landsat 1 to 5 MSS, the formula is band 1 minus band 4 all over band 1 plus band 4. If you are using Landsat 4 to 5 thematic mapper, the formula for NDWI is band 3 minus band 5 all over band 3 plus band 5. Sorry, here is band 5 minus plus band 5. Then if you are using Landsat 7 ETM plus, it will be band 2 minus band 4 all over band 2 plus band 4. And if you are using Landsat 8 and Landsat 9, the formula is band 3 minus band 5 all over band 3 plus band 5. And if you are using MODIS, the formula for NDWI is band 4 minus band 2 all over band 4 plus band 2. Now, the essence of this band combination is because the combination of band you use depends on the satellite image you are using to calculate your normalized difference water index. Now you can go online and read more about this Landsat image band combination, and of course you can read more on the normalized difference water index online. But today I want to show you how to use this approach to extract water bodies from satellite image in QGIS. So let's go to our QGIS and bring in the data. So go to layer, add layer, and add a raster layer. So in this exercise, I want to use Landsat 8. I want to use Landsat 8. So let me navigate to the folder where the satellite image is. Okay. New images. I want to use this Landsat 8. And we said that in Landsat 8 is band 3 and band 5. We are going to use. Click on open and click on add data. Click on close. So I have band, this is band 5 and this is band 3. So to do it, remember the formula that in band 8 is NDWI is equal to band 3 minus band 5 all over band 3 plus band 5. So you come to raster, open raster calculator. So here you input the formula. So here you open brackets, band, this is band 3, double click it, band 3 minus band 5 minus band 5, close the brackets, divided by open bracket band 3 plus band 5, close the brackets. Then navigate to the folder where you want to save it. Let's just save it here as NDWI. So click on save and click on OK. It will take few seconds to run. Okay, the process is complete. So let's uncheck this to see what we have done. So this is the results. of our NDWI. Now the water body is highlighted in white. It ranges between minus 0.3 to plus 0.1. So the meaning of this, if you click here, this identifications icon, all these whites represents the water body. If you click on it, is positive, while these black or non-white are negative. They can be vegetation or soil, but the water body is positive. Anywhere you click on this white is positive, and that is the water body. Now, how do you extract this water body? So to extract this water body, you come back to raster, click on raster calculator. In this case, the result, which is NDWI, is what you want to use. So you double click this, NDWI greater than 0, greater than 0, okay, 0. So here, navigate to where you want to save it. So here, let's just save it as NDWI underscore water. Click on save and click on OK. So in few seconds, it will extract only the water. It will extract only the water. Okay, the water has been extracted. So all these whitish are the water body that has been extracted. However, we still have background black here. So to remove that, just right click this, go to properties, then come under transparency, additional no data value, put 0. Put 0 and click on OK. So uncheck this. So you can see now that our water body has been extracted from the initial satellite image. This was our initial satellite image, and now we have extracted our water body using NDWI, Normalized Difference Water Index. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.